At Trinabot, we're pioneering the future of renewable energy with state-of-the-art automation. Our innovative technology combines high-precision outdoor positioning with advanced robotics to introduce the nation's first photovoltaic module installation robot. With integrated low-speed autonomous driving and vision-guided systems, our robot ensures seamless, fully automated installation, from module handling to precise placement, all while maintaining exceptional accuracy. The addition of a flexible flipping mechanism and the collaboration of high-precision sensors with a vacuum suction system grant our robots exceptional adaptability, environmental awareness. No matter the weather or terrain, our robots operate reliably, ensuring that every installation is executed flawlessly. Designed with efficiency in mind, our robots achieve over 50 modules installed per hour, doubling the efficiency of traditional methods while significantly reducing labor intensity. Our commitment to performance and economic impact has driven us to develop a versatile solution adaptable to various modules and mounting structures, offering customized installation processes for any power station.
From the vast plain to the high plateaus, Trinabot has proven its reliability across diverse project sites. Our robot can eliminate the need for the manual component handling, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring stability throughout the installation process. Recently, our robots have surpassed expectations at the 1 GW Qinghai project, with SGS certification validating the exceptional efficiency and economic benefits, earning us high price from various clients.
Every photovoltaic installation is a step toward our vision of a green and intelligent future. Trinabot is here to power that vision, driving the development of renewable energy and building a smarter, more sustainable world.